Welcome back. This is a video from Khan Academy on Algebra 1, and the unit is quadratic functions and equations. And we are looking at quadratics by taking square roots strategy. That's our skill. So Tara solved a quadratic equation. Her work is shown below with step 2 missing. Okay, what could Tara have written as the result from step 2? Alright, so it started out with this. This was the given equation. Looks like she subtracted 6 from both sides of the equation, which left her with just this expression on the left. And 14 minus 6 is 8. Then, looks like step 3 is the result of taking the square root. Okay? Well, I know that because the result of taking the square root has this plus or minus, because this a positive number squared is positive and a negative number squared is also positive. So before they took the square root, they did something. That something must have been outside of the parentheses. So undoing 2 times something would mean you're going to divide. That would look like this. X minus 3 squared. So I divided the left side by 2, so I'll have to divide the right side by 2, and that'll give me 4. So we're going to look for x minus 3 squared equals 4 in our list of options. X minus 3 squared equals 4 is right there. Next question. Harry solved a quadratic equation. His work is shown below. In which step did Harry make an error? This time they give us all of his work. We don't have to supply it. We just have to see if there's an error. And our choices here are step 1, 2, or 3. So, in other words, we know he must have made a mistake because they're telling us there is a mistake. There's not an option for no mistake. So, okay, let's look what he did. We started with this. This is the given equation. Looks like the 6 was taken away from the left side, so that's subtracting 6. So if you subtract 6 from the left, you get this expression. If you subtract 6 from the right, you get 36. That's true. It's good. So this is okay. Good. Step 2. Looks like we lost the square, which means we're taking the square root. So the square root of x minus 5 squared is x minus 5. That's good. The square root of 36 is 6. But it's also possible that it's the negative, right? Negative 6 times negative 6 is also 36. So this is only one of the 2 solutions of step 2. You would need, this is not okay, you would need to have a plus or a minus right here. Plus or minus 6. Alright, so step 2 is incorrect. So step 3 only has one solution because we lost one of our equations essentially on step 2. And we are done.